Maturing AI, big data, and AIoT tech applications are gradually driving the creation of a smart ecosystem. Autonomous vehicles, smartphones, and various devices use a wide variety of memory products, driving applications of semiconductors to new heights. Memory ICs are essential components of the smart era. Applications of semiconductors are closely tied to our lives in the future. Considering market demand and the commitment to customers, Winbond built its Kaohsiung Fab in southern Taiwan Science Park. It's Winbond's second 12-inch fab. The Gausong Fab will be a crucial milestone for Winbond in its memory business development, setting a solid foundation and generating growth momentum. Winbond's Gausong Fab occupies 25 hectares, creating a pleasant work atmosphere with a green, multi-layered ecosystem, providing employees with a comfortable environment that ensures a balance between productivity, personal life, and planet. The building features a unique angle of 66.8 degrees as the main theme for its facade design, and uses vibrant colors to convey a spirit of enthusiastic learning and active innovation. From the fab layout design, Winbond's Gausong Fab adopts industry-leading automation standards. The goal is to achieve an advanced fab with stable operations, energy conservation and greening, and environmental synergy. For safety considerations, the construction technology of the fab's drainage, earthquake resistance, and flood prevention has also adopted innovative design concepts, such as the introduction of 3D building information models, dynamic airflow analysis and simulation technologies, successive approximation fab design concept, high-speed transmission system design, automated storage and retrieval system, ASRS, and high-density layout of fab equipment to maximize utilization of space. Winbond's planning and design for the Gausong Fab in southern Taiwan Science Park focus on implementing environmental sustainability. As for green manufacturing, Winbond implements various measures to reduce energy consumption and carbon emissions, strengthens waste and emission management, boosts energy efficiency through process improvement, integrates green thinking into core product design, develops energy-efficient products, optimizes product packaging designs, and uses green information management to improve competitiveness while contributing to energy saving and carbon reduction. Regarding water resources, Winbond's Kaohsiung Fab incorporates various water conservation and reuse designs during the fab construction design stage, leveraging the recycling of rainwater, AC condensate water, and scrubber water to raise the process water recycling rate above 85%. Through the wastewater treatment processes, we also realize coexistence between technology and the environment. Regarding energy stability, Winbond's Kaohsiung Fab has enough generators, uninterruptible power supply, and large water tanks to provide 80% of the fab's backup power. The water-efficient production equipment can also reduce the impact caused by climate change. Winbond realizes the core value of contributing to sustainability with solid corporate governance as the foundation, focusing on green manufacturing and sustainable product innovation, establishing sustainable supply chains, and creating a happy workplace with care for the disadvantaged. We are committed to becoming a hidden champion in providing sustainable semiconductors to enrich human life. To meet the demands of the memory market, Winbond's fabs feature flexible production, agile service, and stable delivery. Winbond strives to achieve smart manufacturing through the use of advanced automation and fast smart technologies. the vast amount of data and information generated by machines and products daily. Via IoT applications, communication between machines and systems, comprehensive system optimization projects, production interfaces, and advanced manufacturing control centers, AMCC, are transmitted to semiconductor technology experts. The collection of professional information from systems, including the feedback mechanism of run-to-run control, and advanced process control, APC, can ensure production stability. The product quality analysis system assures product quality. The maintenance expert system ensures predictive maintenance through prognostic health management, PHM, and smart factories combine statistical analysis, AI, and machine learning to enable equipment technicians to proactively monitor equipment and production status, ensuring stable and optimized production efficiency and consistent quality. Advanced algorithms, image recognition technology, and the introduction of AR/VR enable smartification and visualization. Provide technicians and management with remote and near-end communication and analysis to create fast and agile digital technology capabilities. Winbond's fabs, with diverse engineering professionals, big data team, and collaborative effort from government, industry, and universities, develop independent systems and tools based on the characteristics of the semiconductor industry, delivering high-quality chips through sophisticated production processes, precision production equipment, and strict product control to meet the needs of world-class customers. Winbond's smart fabs utilize automation technologies to boost production efficiency and offer strong support for our partners in the global semiconductor industry. With green manufacturing as the cornerstone, we fulfill our corporate responsibility of protecting the earth and the environment. We stand united. Let's welcome the new Winbond era. Create the future together with Winbond.